Whispers of Steel, a shadow play in the Caribbean. The azure waters of the Caribbean, a playground for tourists and a haven for marine life, conceal a stark reality. Beneath the surface, a deadly game of cat and mouse unfolds. American and Russian submarines, silent predators of the deep, stalk each other. Tensions simmer, a legacy of the Cold War reignited in the 21st century. The stakes are high, the world watches holding its breath. The recent increase in submarine activity around Cuba is a chilling reminder of the power these vessels wield. They are ghosts in the machine, invisible and deadly. Their presence is a constant threat, a reminder that the ocean depths are not a sanctuary, but a battleground. The Caribbean, once a symbol of tropical tranquility, has become a stage for a dangerous power play. Beneath the Waves, a legacy of subterfuge. The history of submarine warfare is long and fraught with tension. From the cramped confines of early submersibles to the nuclear-powered behemoths of today, submarines have played a pivotal role in global conflicts. The Cold War saw the US and the Soviet Union locked in a deadly race for submarine supremacy. Each side sought to outdo the other, developing ever more sophisticated vessels capable of launching devastating attacks. The Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962 brought the world to the brink of nuclear war. Soviet submarines armed with nuclear-tipped torpedoes lurked off the coast of Cuba. US Navy destroyers maintained a tense blockade, their sonar operators listening intently for the telltale signs of a submerged threat. The crisis was averted, but the memory of those tense days serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of submarine warfare. The Silent Hunter's U.S. Submarine Prowess. The United States boasts a formidable submarine fleet, widely regarded as the most advanced in the world. The crown jewel of this fleet is the Virginia-class submarine, a marvel of modern engineering. Armed with a sophisticated array of weapons, including Tomahawk cruise missiles and Mark 48 torpedoes, Virginia-class submarines are capable of projecting American power around the globe. These underwater behemoths are not merely weapons platforms. They are also sophisticated intelligence-gathering tools. Equipped with advanced sonar systems and electronic eavesdropping equipment, Virginia-class submarines can silently monitor enemy communications and track the movements of hostile vessels. Their stealth and versatility make them a potent asset in the U.S. Navy's arsenal. The Akula's bite Russian submarine strength. Russia, too, possesses a formidable submarine force, a legacy of its Soviet past. The Akula-class submarine, known in the West as the Typhoon, is a testament to Russian engineering prowess. These massive submarines, among the largest ever built, are armed with a devastating array of ballistic missiles, capable of striking targets thousands of miles away. In recent years, Russia has invested heavily in modernizing its submarine fleet. The Yasen-class submarine, a nuclear-powered attack submarine, is Russia's answer to the American Virginia-class. Equipped with advanced sonar, communications, and weapon systems, Yasen-class submarines pose a significant threat to U.S. and NATO naval forces. In the depths of the ocean, the cat-and-mouse game between U.S. and Russian submarines is a constant test of skill and technology. Anti-Submarine Warfare, or ASW, is a complex and demanding discipline requiring sophisticated equipment and highly trained personnel. Sonar, both active and passive, plays a crucial role in detecting and tracking submerged submarines. Once a submarine is detected, a variety of weapons can be deployed to neutralize it. These include torpedoes, depth charges, and even specialized missiles launched from surface ships or aircraft. The effectiveness of these weapons depends on a variety of factors, including the depth of the submarine, the clarity of the water, and of course, the skill of the operators. Section 6. Technological Titans, a silent arms race. The US and Russia are locked in a silent arms race beneath the waves. Both countries are constantly seeking to improve the capabilities of their submarines, developing new technologies and tactics to gain an edge. One area of intense research is stealth technology. Submarines are designed to be as quiet as possible, minimizing their acoustic signature and making them harder to detect. Another area of focus is unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs. These autonomous drones can be deployed from submarines or surface ships to perform a variety of tasks, including reconnaissance, mine countermeasures, and even attack. The development of advanced UUVs has the potential to revolutionize submarine warfare. Section 7. The Cuban Chessboard, Strategic Implications. The presence of US and Russian submarines in the Caribbean is not merely a coincidence. The region holds significant strategic importance for both countries. For the US, the Caribbean is a vital waterway for trade and energy shipments. The Panama Canal, a crucial choke point, is located in the region. For Russia, the Caribbean represents an opportunity to project power close to the US mainland. The deployment of submarines to the Caribbean is a way for both countries to signal their resolve and demonstrate their military capabilities. It is a dangerous game of brinkmanship, one that carries the risk of miscalculation and escalation. The stakes are high and the consequences of a conflict in the region would be severe. Section 8. The future of the deep, escalation or cooperation. The future of submarine warfare is uncertain. Advances in technology such as artificial intelligence and hypersonic weapons have the potential to revolutionize the undersea battlefield. The increasing militarization of the Arctic, driven by climate change and the opening of new shipping routes, is adding another layer of complexity to the equation. The question is whether the US and Russia will continue down a path of confrontation or find a way to cooperate in managing the risks associated with submarine warfare. The establishment of communication channels, the development of confidence-building measures, and the pursuit of arms control agreements could help to reduce tensions and prevent a catastrophic conflict. Section 9. A call for calm waters, diplomacy in the depths. The silent standoff between US and Russian submarines in the Caribbean is a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked military competition. The world cannot afford a return to the Cold War, where the threat of nuclear annihilation loomed large. Diplomacy, not militarism, must guide our actions. The US and Russia have a shared responsibility to ensure that the world's oceans do not become a battleground. Dialogue, transparency, and a commitment to peaceful resolution of disputes are essential. The future of humanity may depend on our ability to find common ground beneath the waves.